With our Maifest 2019, we're focusing on the future of manufacturing. Like in previous years, our goal is to bring companies together from Germany and from the US. We would like to initiate collaboration projects, for example, R&D partnerships or pilot projects. But most importantly, we would like to bring people together to exchange ideas and concepts.
So I think Maifest is a really good combination of different forums and events. So first of all, startups are presenting their solutions and innovations, but then there's also a lot of discussions around how do you take this technology and actually drive real business value with it. So we have panels here with like several experts, but then what I personally really enjoyed was also the opportunity to connect one-on-one in like these little coffee chats, so that you can have a personal conversation with like vendors and buyers of different solutions.
Maifest is an event to connect the Bavaria region to the Silicon Valley region. It's been an awesome event to understand what opportunities exist from an infrastructure and a partnership standpoint, but also what companies, what things are going on in the area, what the current events are, and what we should be keeping track of. I think it's been proven beyond a doubt that Germany is really on the cutting edge of industries like manufacturing, digital manufacturing, and if we can continue to push that boundary further and further so that it helps both the customers in real life, I think Bavaria has shown that they've been able to take that technology, adopt it, and deploy it throughout the region.
The goal is to help make the job role of the individual stronger and better as part of the manufacturing process. So we do that with data analytics, through robotics, and we bring all of that information together. We apply machine learning on top of it. That makes the products better. It gives the customers better insight into what their products are doing. If you have a chance to come out and participate in it, it's fascinating and it's fun. And they have great food and some fun dancing later in the evening, so I'm looking forward to that.
The southern part of Germany, including Bavaria, has a very, very strong history in manufacturing. But I think the selection of the startups for this topic, smart manufacturing event here, I think the selection was very good. And I think this is also valuable for the German companies being here together with the startups and being inspired by the innovation and then create something together. And I think this event was very helpful to foster this.